What's up, guys? Hope you had a great 4th of July. We are getting ours started right now. We are gonna go get some breakfast. Colton just got here.
Wood.
Got some wood. We're gonna have a fire on the river. We're going boating, and we're gonna go shoot some fireworks off later, and then we'll see what else happens. But hope you guys stick along. Come join us. We'll see you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? Just got back with breakfast. We're loading the boat up. Boom, boom,
Hi.
boom, 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 boom.
Just got some wood.
The boat. Catch some big old fish.
Big old piggies.
Get ready for the day. And we are at the Illinois River. Just made it here. We are loading up the boat. Well, they are, because I'm not doing any of that. And we are getting ready to go on the river. Brought a firework to light that off in the boat. We're gonna test run that. I have plans with another firework later for the night.
And thrust.
Awesome.
We're gonna have a really good day out on the water. Sip some brews, grill some burgers and dogs. Just enjoy the 4th of July.
The Macadooski and Cool Fellows are actually Fortnite streamers.
Hit 'em up.
Their channels are Titan Awakens and Infinity Rises. Follow their Twitch stream. They're great streamers, great Fortnite players, topping the Xbox.
Scared to 1v1 me?
They're scared.
Yeah.
Currently raining out here.
What else would we be doing?
It's alright.
Except streaming.
Stream. Okay.
Good thing we got a good old laborer. Getting your tan out.
And we are right.
We almost sunk.
That was pretty dang close.
How was that, CJ?
Almost sunk.
Nah,
Whatever.
I'm
here to party with everyone else. Cool Fellows for the front flip for the video. And 6 hours later, he caught his first fish.
Haha! Finally. Keep it if you want. We're gonna throw it back.
Doggos!
I know where the flyers are. Oh, they're right there. I know where the flyers are. Dude, I just got that on my nose. Right here?
Yeah. Yeah. His second one. I mean.
You know that else?
Yeah, it's catfish season.
Oh, grab from the back.
Don't catfish people online. It's bad.
Oh, higher.
Cooking for the boys.
Delicious. Oh, Jesus, be careful, please.
As you see in videos, future videos, I will be cooking because I am a chef.
It ain't gonna harm me. We argue all the time. They say I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm right.
And we are out. And everyone is on the boat. And we're gonna go get something to eat. Like a boat.
On a boat, on the trucker.
It's going fast.
They can look at me.
I got it. Let's get her going. What's up, guys? Jumping around for some fireworks. Jimmy rigged this firework on top of my car, so I'm gonna drive around with that firework. Don't know if it's bad or a good idea.
Sky.
And then we have another firework, and then we got one down there. Also, the sky behind me is lightning right now,
Very
and
scary.
like
Oh
you
my
guys
God.
just saw, which is very safe. So, okay, wait, hold on. Will you hold this? Ugh, bug. Alright, so I have two fireworks right here, and I'm gonna drive between them, and they're gonna try and shoot it off when I hit this one, and we'll see what happens. And I'm gonna give the camera to Colton because I've gotta drive.
Oh my god.
Sick. Happy 4th of July, peeps.
How was it? That motor didn't go.
Dope.
Work?
It's dope.
Ben, turn around.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. My actually first vlog video, my real first one. Hope you guys enjoyed everything that we did. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And hopefully by next time it'll be more professional. I'm actually filming off my iPhone, so I hopefully will soon buy a real camera, which I plan on within the next couple of days. So until then, catch you guys later.